Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I'm going to make Cat Hands Mixed Media Morsels Book of Colors, page number 6, black and white. Here's my little book of colors. I didn't do anything with the first page yet, but we have had the colors red. 1 was red, 2 was teal, 3 was orange, 4 was purple, 5 was yellow, I think, and it sticks together. Yippee! Well, this is my yellow page, and now I'm going to make black and white. I'm going to remove the cover again so it works a bit easier. So, black and white, and I gathered some stuff. What I have is lace in bits and pieces. I have lots more. Here are bits, some, and here is lace, and I have more black lace. But this is what was on my desk. This is from my scraps. I have a few stamps, postage stamps, black and white. This is a piece I had, a stamp from of a rose on tissue paper. I have pictures from magazines, all kinds of little pictures. A little girl. Maybe I have more. I have this. I have all kinds of napkins, black and white, a lot of rub-ons and that sort of things I can maybe use, wallpaper, a doily, and these are wallpaper examples. So I have more. I have a lot of books with black and white papers on it, in it. Maybe I will look for another picture. I'm not sure yet. Maybe I can do it with this because I like stamps very much. In the previous colors I use stamps too, I think. No, here I have no stamps. And number 2, not. Here I have stamps. 3. Here I have stamps 2. And here I have a stamp. So I could use a Tim Holtz doll too, if I want to. But I thought, well, let's try it with this. I won't use prints. I decided not to use that. It's possible, of course, but well, I do not use often digitals or prints. I like to work from well, existing stuff, from books and well, whatever I can find. Only when I have to have something, I can't think of an example, but sometimes I print stuff, and I have my own digitals, of course. But well, I like to work without digitals. Let's put it that way. And sometimes I like to work with digitals, but this time not. So I have more papers. Maybe I will look for some more for the background. I don't have much background stuff though. Yeah, only white and this piece and napkins, I think. Well, I will search. One moment. I will search for some more. Well, I was searching for some, looking for some background papers, but apparently I don't have black and white background paper. I have this paper though, doodle folding papers. The sun is shining. I hope it's not too, what do you call that, too busy. The sun shining. Well, I have those papers. Maybe there's something in it. Well, I don't know. Well, let's start. I will speed the video up again. And, well, I will put the sun away and speed it up like I said, and I hope you enjoy watching. Bye.